Hello everyone, this is Baljit from Jacob. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm outside on my backyard with my chickens. I have those chicken coops. I made this one I think almost a year ago, and since I have like my chickens, we're getting organic eggs. They free range all over the place and produce really good eggs. You can tell the difference from the store and the eggs from these chickens, the ones you have a free range. So I decided to add a little bit more. So I ordered 20 Rhode Island red chickens, which ones are like little babies right now. They're like 12 to 15-day old. I ordered all females, but they say 5%, but I think it's like more than 5% are males. They're just moved here this Sunday, 2 days ago. They was living in that cage in my garage, but now they're getting a little bit more bigger. They're growing up. They need more room, so I decided to add here. Once they are going more bigger, we're gonna add more stuff. I'm gonna move these one to the other side. The other ones are 3 or 4. I'm gonna move this side because they don't live together. They're not friend. I showed you the other ones are like aggressive ones. I have 3 hens. Like I have one here, one over here. One might be inside, try to lay egg. Then I have 4 of those babies. They're like about 1.5 months old. These hens probably will live together, but these babies are more harder. Look at, they're fighting each other because this is the mom. She worried about the babies, and that's why she don't like any other hens to be close to these ones. But those are not the friend one. They're aggressive one. They will bite you. They're not gonna live with those babies. I'm pretty sure if I put babies with those, the whatever is called a seal, I believe. We call seal in India, but I think they also call Thai roosters. They're not friend. Even these ones, since that lady, she has those babies, she's not friend anymore either. She's fighting with these, but before they all was friend. They're living together, but since those babies came out, that one is not the friend one, neither the babies. So besides this one, I have this is little nesting box, and that's the rooster where they're sleeping at night. So the one is here, my gonna lay egg. That's my nesting box. At back side, I have 4 doors, 2 screen doors and 2 big doors. In winter, I close these one. In summer, I keep it like that. I have solar lights here. Those are the solar charger, charging the lights. And same, I have one light here, one outside. Now let's talk about what I feed to them. Let's start with water. I have this bucket. It's about like maybe 5-6 gallons. And those cups, automatic filler. Anytime cup have no water, it will go up, it start filling, go down, it will stop. This will last for at least 1 or 2 weeks. But I will check every week. I clean cups so many times, but they keep putting dirt inside. That's an automatic food feeder I have made from trash. So I fill this one with the mix food for them. I show you whatever. As for the food feeder, I have these one automatic food feeder. I made it from junk. I fill this one like that much, and it will last for like 2-3 weeks for 3-4 hens. And as they're gonna eat, they're gonna come down because I have a little holes here. Beside this food, they just free range here all around. For the babies, I added this section because they are growing really fast. For them, I have 2 water feeders and 1 food feeder. They're not eating that much, they're wasting too much. They try to pick the dirt, so I through just this little area. I put some grass here so they can have some fun. I seen they're really happy now. They need something to scratch. I will add more section here in the middle, like I will put a wood piece or something, and the other area I will put something for them, like compost or something, so they can have a little scratch. For food storage, I have bought this one 50-gallon drum. I was keep filling with this one, but now I have made a new shed close to my chicken coop. I'm gonna move this drum over there. That's why I didn't fill it. I'm gonna show you the food. So the food was, I feed this one to my hens and baby chicks. This one egg layer feed. It's called layer feed. This one cost me $24, and it looked like this. I also feed this one to the hen scratch. A little bit different taste for them, so they will be more happy. It's like a mix of grains. This one cost me $18. This one chick starter kit or food for chicks. This one also little like fine pellets. That's all I feed to my chickens. If you guys have any idea, any suggestion, what else I have to do, what I should add in my chicken coop, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to follow. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.